Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A spoonie is somebody who lives with a chronic condition, and a stitcher is somebody who makes things with textiles. See? This channel is all about creativity and fun. If it gets your creative juices flowing, that's what this channel is about. I am a crochet teacher and designer. There are playlists on my channel to learn how to crochet, but this channel is all about all kinds of art, creativity that has to do with film, baking, crafting, crochet, all of that kind of stuff. So if that's what you're interested in, maybe hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. Today's video is sponsored by BlingBlingYarn. Yes, it's a sponsored video. They send me yarn, I make things. It's a fun little deal. Now, this yarn is really fun for spooky season because this yarn is glow in the dark. So if you remember last year, we made this. This is little Boop. Actually, this is Blip. His cousin Boop is apparently sleeping at a friend's house. I can't find him. So, so this is Blip, who is standing in for Boop. And this one is new. This is our fruit bat. This is Barbara. So Barbara and Blip are here to tell you about the Boop pattern. Boop is my little teeny weeny bat who is very low sew. You sew on the ears and the wings. That's it. Everything else is made onto the bat in one piece. And then you add the eyes and you stitch on a very easy nose, and I show you how to do that. Now, this particular video, I'm going to show you what it would be like if he was glow in the dark. Huh? How cool is that? But this is the little glow in the dark bat. Now, as you can see, I also did French knots instead of safety eyes. That's also an option. This yarn is the glow in the dark sparkle version. So I used the milk cotton glow in the dark. I gotta tell you, I'm a new fan of milk cotton. This is pretty cool stuff. So this is, I don't know if you can see, but it does have a shiny little sparkle to it. And it shows up a lot better when you actually make the product. See? The nose is sparkly too. Same yarn, just in a different color. So you can make lots of little bats in time for Halloween. They would be great for treat baskets, or make a little garland, or make a fun keychain. I don't know, or maybe they'd be a cute little addition to a costume. There's lots of varieties too. I have a full review on this yarn as well, also linked down below. Spoiler alert, I love it. There's a sparkly version with multicolors, lots of different colorways of this. The sparkly milk cotton one that I used to make the little bat also comes in this fun hot pink color and many other colors. There's a chenille version, so if you like working with the chenille type yarn, you can use the reflective yarn, the cotton yarn. There's also different sizes. This one is like a thread almost. So lots of different options, and I still think they're doing their sale. So use the coupon code here and shop below with my link and get a discount. It's up to you. So the rest of this video is going to be my written pattern, what I call a scroll through pattern, where the pattern just pops up on the screen with music and you can pause it at any time. Screenshots are definitely allowed. You just cannot claim the pattern as your own. I did work hard on this pattern. However, if you would rather have a tutorial, the tutorial will be linked down below this video. And you can make little Boop in glow-in-the-dark yarn. So please enjoy the scrolling pattern. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you BlingBlingYarn for sending me this yarn and letting me make adorable things. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.